గైస్ మీకు మంచి వాక్ ఇన్ అప్డేట్స్ తీసుకొచ్చాను. అది వాల్యూ ల్యాబ్స్ అండ్ ఎక్సిజెన్సీస్ ఇస్ హైరింగ్ ఫర్ డాట్ అనలిస్ట్ అండ్ రీసెర్చ్ అనలిస్ట్. సో లెట్స్ సీ ద roles and responsibilities and the dates and the time. So here you can see that is Value Labs freshers walk-in, and it is hiring for the role research analyst, Hyderabad. Location is Hyderabad. Qualification is a bachelor's degree, that is from BSc, BCom or BBA or BF, B Pharma. Batches వచ్చేసి 2023 are only eligible, and the walk-in date వచ్చేసి tomorrow, that is 16th March 2024, and the time walk-in time వచ్చేసి 9:30 AM to 2:30 PM, and the venue is Value Labs LLP. Address flat number 41, server number 64, High-Tech City, phase 2, Madhapur, Hyderabad, Telangana, and the code is pin code is 50081 India. If you furthermore, if you want more details, you can click here that they also provide the link for more details. This is the eligibility criteria. If you have the knowledge in for particular that they have mentioned here, you can walk in directly with your resume. Thank you. And another opportunity, that is next jeans is hiring for a data analyst role, and openings వచ్చేసి 2 skills వచ్చేసి oops, python, pandas and numpy pandas వచ్చేసి ఉండాలి, and the qualification is BA or BTech or master's degree in computer science or IT related background. Experience వచ్చేసి వాళ్ళు freshers అడిగినారు, and the location is Pune. Work from office only, and interested candidates can share your CV at mailhr@nextgensis.com. This is the eligibility criteria. If you have the skills like oops, python, pandas and numpy, you can apply. Thank you. We have another opportunity, that is Gates Studio is hiring for the design engineer. It is a walk-in drive, and it is 18th March 10 AM. Qualifications BA or BTech or diploma electrical, AMA avionics, and vacancies వచ్చేసి 3. Skills basic AutoCAD or any similar electrical drawing software knowledge, able to read and understand engineering drawing in first angle projection method, and they mentioned that experience you should have 0 to 1 years, and the qualification BR. This is another one opportunity. They mentioned that a qualification BR, BTech or diploma mechanical, vacancies 5. Skills వచ్చేసి Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, Isodraw or SolidWorks or Pro, CATIA or any other 3D software knowledge, 2D to isometric view creation knowledge, able to read engineering drawings in first angle projection method, must know basic engineering and design rules. And they also mentioned that here when you చూసినట్లయితే it is Bangalore, Ganganagar, Archinagar, Bangalore, and the pin code is 560032. I will just if you want to know the clear venue, I will just mention the link in description, and also I will mention the mail in the description. Thank you. Here you can see that is Wipro is hiring for a walk and drive, and the location is Bangalore. They mainly hiring for the role Python developer, and the experience here you can see that is they mentioned that 5 to 9 years, openings 15 openings, and the location is Hyderabad or Telangana, Bangalore, Karnataka. It is a hybrid model. Must have skills of oops, Python development. Good to have the Django or Flask. And the job description you can see here. Walk-in drive at Bangalore location, 16th March 2024, and please share resume to akshara.raj@wipro.com, and the requirement name, title Python developer or software engineer, and the experience is 4 to 9 years. Location is Bangalore or Hyderabad. Mandatory skills: strong in Python programming or Python developer, and hands-on expertise, advanced Python oops, strong in MySQL or SQL, Python API or Flask or Django framework. Preferred skills వచ్చేసి Python basic library, AI or ML, experience Docker, Kubernetes, OpenShift, modern web UI technologies, HTML5, React.js, RESTful services, WebSockets, PySpark, HIVV, Eagle frameworks, and roles and responsibility you can see here. I will just mention the link in the description. You can see all the details. Thank you.